Today we'll talk about how can you find the messages on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first to find your messages on your app. So you just go down, you click here on messages here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all messages you have in this list. You will find your your shots here in this list. Like you see, I have no conversation yet in my list. So, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your Speaky app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.